Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background color of WordPress block editor. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then simply it will take you to the login page, then put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there it will simply take you to the home page. From here you have to just simply navigate to the edit side option from the right hand side in the quick links. Once you are in your website or the site that you are going to edit, then here you can write in the right hand side, here you will get the option of template and black. Then what you need to do is simply click on the black icon from the right hand side. You have to just simply click on it, and once you click on the black icon you have to simply choose the part that you would like to change the background. So let's say I'd like to change the header, then simply click on it. Then here you can see the header option is already showing here, and after that you have to just simply click on the header icon. And then here you can see that you'll get lots of options from here, and from here you have to go to the right hand side, this tab like this, the black and white tab, and from here you have to just simply choose the color option from here. And here you can see there are two options in color, in text and background as well. Then simply click on the background color, and here you have to click on the color palette from here, and you have to just simply click on it. Once you click on the color palette, here you can see that we have already put it to the red color, and here you can see the background color is already changed to red color. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.